What's going on, folks? Matt here with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Today I was on a new construction inspection and I saw some things from the roof related to flashing and plumbing vent stacks that I want to show you. So come on up and take a look with me. Here you have your standard plumbing vent stack. Notice it's open at the top and the rubber boot is kind of shaped in a dome fashion to shed water properly. Now here's one that's not in such good shape. As you can see at the top, it still has a cap on it. They put these on there for testing purposes, but they should be removed so it can properly do its job. Also, if you look at the rubber boot, it's buckled here. This is an area where water will collect and make that boot wear out a lot faster than it should. Now here you have a furnace flue, and what I really want you to see is this storm collar here. Now let me take you over to the water heater flue pipes. If you notice, you look down here, the storm collars are missing. This is going to be an area where water will be able to penetrate between the flue and the jack on the roof. Now you guys, that capped vent stack causes a problem on a couple of different levels. It should be open so that it can expel sewer gas, and it also needs to draw in air to help things drain properly. The other issues are related to water penetration. Now, since this is a new build, we can bring this up to the builder and hopefully get this addressed before the buyer moves in. But anyway, I'm gonna go finish up this inspection. Thanks for watching. Call me because I want to inspect your next house. Bye now.